today's video, we are unboxing a brand new subscription to our channel called Tribe Beauty Box. I'm super excited to be unboxing this bi-monthly subscription on our channel. And of course, everything that is in this box, I will be doing a look over on Instagram, so make sure to follow me over there. Before we jump into the information, the unboxing, and all of that, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or we put it on mute. We're not about the negativity. So hopefully you join the fam, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, give your girl a big like if you enjoyed the intro. I don't know, but I upload all the time over here at now 9:15 Eastern time in the morning, Monday through Friday. I'll pop up some extras throughout the week, and then on the weekends at 9 p.m. And like I said, make sure to follow me over on Instagram at hotmessmomma for different looks such as this look right here and whatever we receive in this box. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. About the Tribe Beauty Box. This box is a bi-monthly box. It is $34.99, and you will receive up to $140 worth of product. So let's go ahead and jump into this box. I've seen some unboxings in the past, and I was really excited and curious about this box, and I was actually going to purchase it, and then they reached out and asked if they could send it over to me to unbox and review for you guys, and I was like, yes. So let's go ahead and jump in. Like I said, $34.99. How cute's the box, by the way? That's so cute. Okay, so when we jump right in, everything is packaged absolutely perfect. Okay, so underneath the package, I do see a card in here. It says this is the October box. So if you are interested in picking up this box, just go straight to Tribe Beauty Box website. They did give me a coupon code. It is HOTMESS, and it will save you 10% on your box. It says October 2020, dusk to dawn, and then it gives us a list of all of the items in here, as well as the retail value of everything and a little information, it looks like, about the products. Okay, so the first thing I'm super excited about, and actually y'all had told me that this was going to be in the Tribe Beauty Box, and this was kind of like the deciding factor of why I was going to go ahead and purchase it, but they happened to reach out to me and send this. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, which I have all of mine legitimately sitting right here in front of me. I have multiple shades. On the daily, I use the medium one, and I have it on today. You guys, this is amazing. It is an amazing multitasking makeup product. I suggest anybody and everybody who's interested in picking anything up at Gerard Cosmetics, get the Clean Canvas Eye Base. It comes in white, fair, medium, and cocoa shades, and this is an amazing product. Like I said, mine is already open. I'm not going to open the one in the box, but mine lasted darn near a year, and like I said, that's with multitasking my product. Now, what I mean by that is not only can you use this as your eyeshadow primer, but you guys, I always put a little bit underneath my eye because it helps as like not letting things crease, and of course I'm 42 years old, so I have creasing underneath my eyes. So I put a little bit underneath my eyes, press it in, all, you know, perfect. And if you have large pores, if you have oily skin, this little puppy is freaking amazing. I put it sometimes in my T-zone when I have like really inflamed pores that are just trying their best to call me out on like my poor eating decisions. Put that right in the center. You can put it in your laugh lines. You can put it right in the corners here and right on your chin. Press it in really good, and I'm telling y'all, it helps to conceal your deepest, darkest secrets. This stuff is amazing. It has a lot of opacity to it as well. So the nice thing, and I'll do this occasionally, like if I do like a cut crease or something, I'll go in with the white and then like really clean it. It's just, anywho, I digress. I'm carrying on. A little information about it. It does have a retail value of $22. And like I said, at Gerard Cosmetics website, you can get different shades. This particular eye base is in the shade Fair, which I can get away with using this on my lids as well. So just letting you guys know as far as that goes. You guys see I have Sunless Tanner on, but I will tell you guys my favorite shade is definitely the medium. So moving on, the next item I see in here is by Earth Harbor. This is the Anti-Pollution Youth of Holy, and I've seen this brand, I do believe, in some other subscription boxes. Ooh, did I have this already? I may have this. So this is what it looks like out of the box. This is a full-size product, and as far as the retail value of it, it is $48. It is the HAILEY'S, I think is how you say it, worships your face by renewing skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin's pH, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, and it targets concerns such as pollution control, fine lines, wrinkles after sun, and stressed skin. Oh, let's open this up. There's not really a scent, but again, don't always trust my nose because I just got over like a mass allergy flare. Ooh, I really like the consistency, and I can definitely tell this is going to be soothing, like it says, after sun care or anything like that. If you I always recommend these kind of products if you do that, like exfoliation type of thing and your skin kind of gets a little bit of redness to it. These are always really nice, and it's definitely hydrating and moisturizing feeling. So like I said, retail value $48. Moving right along, the next item I see in here is by LA Splash. It says Lumos Liquid Metals. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this actually has a retail value of $18. I was reading the wrong thing. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Isn't that so pretty? Do you guys see the sparkles down here? I gotta open it. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, obviously it's for like a line, like a liner, or how you do those decorative things. But you guys, I would legitimately just take this, and I'm gonna do it right now. Just kind of right here on the lid, kind of like you would like one of those liquid Stila things. Like, how pretty is that? I'll like have to zoom in so you guys can see it when I'm editing. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. This just turned into a try-on, because you see some people do like these really pretty things where they decorate the eye, like just like the crease part. I am not that person because I don't know if I could make it even, but how pretty is that? Ooh, okay. And then, oh my lord, look at that. On the other side, we have like a big chunky liner. We'll go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, okay, what I like about these big ones is I am the type of person that I am not the best at doing a winged liner. So I like when they're this big and to get like a nice stamp in there, you know what I mean? So like I said, this is by LA Splash. This is their Lumos Liquid Metals Duo. It's a jumbo felt tip liner and a cut crease definer. So see, like I said, you could like do that decorative like swoop over the crease, but for me, I'm just gonna use it like I would a Stila glitter. It does have a retail value of $18. It's an all-in-one duo eyeliner that can be used to create an array of looks. A buildable water-based liner that contains super fine glitters and a clear base that dries down quickly and stays put with zero fallout. And I did put a lot on there, so I can tell it's still a little wet, but it's not doing any type of like funky creasing on me or anything like that. So we'll see how it looks by the end, but that is the next item. And you know what? I like this. I like this because this is not something I've ever seen in another subscription. So very cool. The next item I see in here is by Suva Beauty. This is the Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick in the shade Illusionist. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a bit darker than what I'm comfortable with, so you guys will see this in a giveaway. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram at HotmessMomma4, because I will be putting up a giveaway here very, very soon, and as well as when we hit that 10K. You guys, we are so close to hitting 10K over on Instagram. You guys know I've been working my booty off trying to get that swipey uppy. So please do your girl a favor and jump over to Instagram and follow me over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so a little information about this item. Like I said, it is from Suva Beauty and it's a liquid lipstick. It's $18 retail value. And the Suva Beauty Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. So it sounds really nice, it sounds really pretty, but like I said, you guys see typically this is about as dark as it gets for the most part. Okay, ooh, and the biggest for last, check it out. This is the Pure Defense Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette by Pur Cosmetics. This has a retail value of $34. Ooh, now you guys, I really enjoy Pur Cosmetics. You guys know that if you've been with me for a while. Look, here's the back of the box. So this is, I guess, the colors that we're going to see. This case is really nice. Yeah, I just fingered it up, so go me. So let's, oh, that's not my fingers. I thought it was. It is one of those shifty things. Okay, it's not even been a long day. That's just my brain. Oh my good heavens. That's really pretty. Okay, so can we just take a minute and enjoy that mirror? That's a really good size mirror. I'm trying not to blind you guys. Look at how beautiful these shades are. I hear you, I hear you. I'm gonna swatch them for you. I am going to create a full look. I have to touch this one. This beautiful smoky gray. I will be creating a full look, oh my gosh, over on Instagram. That, I love the way that's swatched. That was just so effortless. I gotta swatch this one because look at her. Look at her. I'm not, oh my goodness. That is so pretty. So pretty. Do this purple one. Oh, that's vampy. This is like perfect going into the fall. These like, it's like muted but also like gem tone kind of shades. This is just so pretty. I mean, I don't know if the camera is totally picking up how nice this palette is. I like the fact that you got a little bit of a cool side to it. 6 pans are cool. Then you have the warmth over here on the other side. I mean, this is a really pretty palette, and it does have a retail value of $34. Like I said, follow me over on Instagram because I will be putting looks together, and I can tell you guys this has dried down. Super comfortable, not crunchy feeling or anything at all. And look at this. This liner is not going anywhere, like anywhere. So like I said, this has a retail value of $34. Showcase your inner artist with Defense, a highly pigmented smoky palette featuring 12 bold shades that instantly bring attention to your eye makeup look. Yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this was everything that was in the box. Let me add up the total for you guys. Okay guys, so everything that you saw in today's box did come to a total of $140. Now like I said, this was the first time that I have ever unboxed a Try Beauty box, and I have to say I really enjoyed it. I like the fact that it was a bit more on the makeup heavy side of things, but in the best possible way. You know, I love the fact that we do have an eye base, we have a full palette, we've got a liner. I mean, you can create a whole eye look here. And you know, the nice thing about it is if you like the darker shade of lipstick, it's gonna work perfect. And of course, we got a little bit of a skincare item in here as well. So I have to say I really like this box. This is a bi-monthly box. For $34, I definitely see that you're getting your money's worth. You know what I mean? Like this alone is $22 and this alone is $34. That's just 2 of the items. You still have 3 more items that came in this box. So this box is curated perfectly. I like it. I think that anybody who would receive this box would really enjoy it. And don't let some of these darker shadows freak you out by any means, because you see this whole top row right here is very like neutral friendly. You know what I mean? You can deepen up the outer V's here. You can pop, a little bit of a sparkle in the inner corner. So I think this palette is going to work for a very, very large amount of people, and I think you'd be really happy with it. Like I said, I love Pur Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. I have the Raw Beauty Christy palette. I have a bunch of the other palettes that came in other subscriptions. They're good formula in my opinion. So anyways guys, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. They were kind enough, like I said, to give us a coupon code to save 10% off your first box by using code HOTMESS. Now that is, I believe, an affiliate code, so I will earn a little bit of a commission if you do decide to sign up using that. And I want to give a huge thank you to Try Beauty Box for sending this over my way and unboxing this on our channel. I have to say, this was my first box ever with Try Beauty Box, and this was amazing. This was an amazing, great box, and it definitely would keep me coming back. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Don't forget there is a giveaway going on our channel, and are you following me yet over on Instagram? If not, please do so and join the fam over here. Like I said, we keep it cute or we put it on mute. We're not about negativity. We're all about embracing the hot mess. We're all about community over competition, and we're here to empower each other and just have a good old time unboxing makeup subscriptions, unboxing whatever we may be unboxing, and playing in makeup. So until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.